Hey guys, for questions 7 through 12 here, they ask you to make an XY table, and they want you to use the function from -5 to 5, and really there's no way that I'm going to be able to show all of that work in this tiny space. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to move this out of the way, and I've already started to do some of the work here to organize it, but the other thing is I'm not going to do every single one of these. Excuse me. But basically the first thing I'm going to do is in my X column here, I know that I need to do -4 or -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, and so on, all the way until I get to 5. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those down real quickly, and you'll notice that it is going to take a good bit of room. So if you need to, go ahead and get that situated. Now, the work part that I put right here, this is something that I used to do in middle school, where I would just say put all of the work that you're going to type in right here so that you can get a feel for what you're going to type into the calculator. So you can see this is what I'm about to type into my calculator here. Now some calculators have a table mode. I'm going to type these into the calculator here, but just again, as a reminder, all you're doing is you're saying this is x squared minus 2x minus 3, x squared minus 2x minus 3, and so on. And on each of these rows, you're just plugging in the x value for that row to get what it equals. So I'm going to finish putting these in. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can get caught up to the work. I will pause this video, and when you come back from that pause, all of these will be filled in. So you can see that at this point, I've written down all of my work here, and I actually did this all in the calculator under the table mode. So if you need help setting up table mode, just let me know. But I'm just reading these right off of the calculator display. I did not type each of these in individually. But you should get something exactly like what I'm getting. Of course, it should be exactly like what I'm getting because these are calculations that have only one output. So these are your outputs for the very first problem of this section, which is problem number 7.